Thank you, dear Chairperson, proposers, opposers, secretary, timekeeper, and the House at large. Our motion today states that farming is better than business. Dear Chairperson, I am opposing the motion in the following views. Let me explain my all points. Business is more than farming because it provides both goods and services to people. For example, education, leisure. People need money to not only survive, but to enjoy their lives, and they get money from doing business. Third, sources of market to farmers. Business people provides market to farmers by buying their goods, e.g. beans, coffee, and sorghum. Lastly, little time and much money. Business people work less and earn much compared to farmers, and they are the ones that determines the price of certain farm produce. Thank you.